Hey guys, let's fix keyboard keys not working problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So let's fix this issue together. First of all, we are going to use our mouse only. We are not going to use keyboard because our keyboard is not working. So go to the search bar and you can right click here, select settings. We need to right click on the start icon and open settings, then go to the accessibility and then just scroll down and click on keyboard, and once we are here just scroll down and enable this option on screen keyboard. Okay, so we have virtual keyboard on our desktop now. Then go to search bar, type here RUN and click here. Once we are here, we will select this and type here REG edit and click on OK. Select S, just minimize this one. Again we will go back to the main system. Okay, here we are. Once we are here, we need to expand the HK local machine and then go for the system folder, expand this, then expand the current control set. Now expand services folder and scroll down and go for, okay, here is I add 042 port, then select it. On the right side, right click on start, select modify and change the value data as to 1. Make sure you have to set value data as 1, then click on OK. Now close this window. Again go to search bar and type your device, okay, device manager, and open it. Once we are here, we need to expand the keyboards. Where it is, here it is. Expand these, right click on the particular device, select properties, go to its driver tab and click on update driver. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection. If not, then choose this option. So I will select the first one and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close this window and then restart the system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. Make sure to check out the pinned comment, that will help you a lot and more and effectively to fix this issue. That's it. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.